What's that noise there, boy? Elephant? I gotta see what's going on over here. Come. What's going on over there? Oh my gosh! Elephant coming to our house. Oh, little baby. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Oh, let's feed.
One by one.
Oh, okay, there you go. Ollie, come. Now you hold the tip here. Hold the tip here. You hold the tip, quick.
You do it.
There.
Oh, it's fun.
Do, 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 do.
Can the baby eat? No, the baby cannot eat. Only the mama.
There, smile. Take with the baby. Smile.
Okay, stop this. Mommy, help.
No, you just put on it. It's very gentle.
Oliver, go. Go for it. Go. Oliver, go. Look at the baby. The baby come. Just hold the tip. It's far enough. He cannot come in. One. You pull that. He want to take the bag there. Oliver, go. Go. The boss is there, so he's okay. Go. Quick.
Wait. Oh, the baby don't eat. No, the baby cannot eat.
I let the baby come and play sand. What's the name? Bimam. Sandy. Oh.
Yeah, give lah.
Oliver, go. You haven't even give one. Oliver, you can do it. Come fight your fear.
Yeah, go.
Yeah. Just touch the nose. Just touch the nose. Oliver, you cannot come in already. Touch the nose. Yeah, like that. Go, Oliver, go. Ayo, Oliver, you chicken boy lah you. Ayo, you see the baby there? Man, what? Sandy. Man, what? Touch ah. Touch the nose. Do, 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 do.
Take a long one.
That's why I ask you hold the tip. Hold the tip. You see, just like that, ni. Oliver, go and pick it up.
Trying to get it.
You break it. You break it.
Oh, harder than me, bro.
He fart at you, ah?
Bro, that's a slider.
Yeah. It's okay. We can wash. Now hold this. Oliver, just touch the nose. Just touch the nose. Come here.
What do you mean gentle? This is the elephant.
There, like that. You see?
This is the elephant.
No, the elephant that throw is that one. You see? That one.
Ding dong. Ding dong dong.
The name is Man what? Look at the baby. Baby wants to come in. Baby's biting the wood. Gabby, keep going, Gabby. Keep going.
How am I going to walk through the...
Baby's bored. Keep going, girl. Good job. Now see how the mother control the baby?
Go away.
Ah, go down, you say. Go down. Oh, cannot.
Keep on feeding the mother until the baby can get out.
Go feed, go feed. Oh, can I do a selfie? Came to the house. What do we do? We have to feed the guests.